fucking shit. No one did.
Wala na.
Rush! Tas kita eh?
Remember.
Video kayo!
He's fucking the wall.
Oh God! He's being fucked by the wall.
Yeah, they just knocked me out and will be a fiesta here. We'll be having to celebrate.
You really did kill me!
Oh no! Ow!
He's pregnant.
No, the wall is pregnant! No!
Please go up.
The wall is the wall is the one who is the preggy over here. Oh, Messi Locker.
That's
See.